Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. So in this video we will discuss a very good question of July Leetcode challenge. So our question is best time to buy and sell the stocks with cooldown. Now this question is a bit hard to understand that what we have to do in this question. So first of all, if you understood the question, congrats to you because it is very hard to understand. Now I'm just going to explain it that what is question saying. So we have given I elements or we have given n elements. In this case n is not given, we have given n elements in which ith element represents the price of the stock on that day. On first day the price is 1, on second day price is 2, then 3, then 0, then 2, and like this all the prices are there. Now we have to buy the stocks and we have to sell the stocks. We cannot do all the things at the same day, means you cannot buy and sell the things on the same day, as well as you cannot sell and buy at same time, means you cannot do two things at same time. Now second condition is that you have to take a break after every sale, means if you sell something, then you have to wait for a day. In this case, suppose if you buy one, then you sell two, and after that you have to cool down or you have to wait for 1 day before buying. You cannot buy two items at 1 day, or you cannot buy two stocks, or you cannot buy the stocks regularly, means if you buy one, then you can't buy two again. Before buying two, you have to sell that. So this is the observation. This is not given in the question mainly. We have to just observe this thing, or this is given. Buy one, sell one of the share of multiple times, means you can sell the stock and then only you can buy. Now before buying we have to cool down for 1 day. So this is all question says. Mainly we have to buy the stock and sell the stock. In between we can make some cool down days, and at the end of buying we have to use some cool down if you want, and we have to find the maximum profit, and the profit is that buying and selling. If you sell it high and buy it low, then you will get higher whatever you say it, profit or all. So this is all we have to do in this question. What we have to do in basic, we have to calculate the maximum profit from buying and selling. So now let's understand the question or our approach properly. So now let's understand the approach. So for understanding the question, we will take this as an example. Now these all the stock prices. Now first of all we have to find the maximum profit. Now first we will manually calculate that how we can find the maximum profit. So suppose I buy this first one, I buy this stock, this first one stock I buy. Then I can sell. If I sell it on this, then how much profit I get? I get a profit of 1. Then I have to cool for 1 day. Then I can sell it for then I can buy the 3 one. So till now 1 is a profit, and you have buy 3 also. So 3 minus 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2 till now, and at the end 5 is also there. So we will sell it at 5, so we'll get a profit of 5. Now at this we have to cool down at second. Now if we want that, first of all I'll buy here, then I'll have a cool down, then I'll sell. On this 2 I want to sell. After that then I'll buy on 3, so our profit is 2. And then if we does not buy 5, we carry on the cool down, then our profit is 2. Now this is all either not maximum profit. The maximum profit how you can get? First of all you will buy the 1 and then sell it on the 5th when the stock price is 5, and remaining all we will cancel. So this is how we can get the maximum profit, which is equals to 4. So this is the first example which I am going to explain you, or this is the first example which I have explained you. Now in this question I'll explain you more than one example so that you can easily get the question, because understanding the question is main as compared to solving it, because if you understand the question easily you can solve that question. Now second example, we will take it as 2 0 3 5 1 0 6 3 12 6 3 and 4 4, and like this we have to do this all. Now let's try to find out the maximum profit for this one. So first of all, if we buy at this 2, then we will be in the loss, because the next element, the just next element is 0. So if you buy at 0th value, you will be in the profit. This is the main thing, or this is the observation in the question. This will not be useful in solving the question, but for manually solving it will be useful. So first of all, I'll buy at this. Now if I buy at this, then I can sell it to 3 also, 5 also. Now a thing is that if I sell it on 5, then I have to wait for 1 and then I can buy the 0. Now if I sell for 3, then I have to wait for 5 and then I can buy 1, but I will not buy 1 because next one is 0 only. So I'll try to buy the 0th one. So in this case I'll cancel the 3. I'll not sell on it on 3, I'll sell it on 5. So till now the profit is 5. Now I'll ignore this one, then I'll go to 0. If I go to 0, then till now the profit is 5 only. Now I can just sell it on the 6th. Then the profit, what it will be 11. And then on next 2 days I can cool down, or on this I can cool down and get this value. If I want big, but I don't want 4, that's why I will not buy it. So our profit will be 11 in this case. Now you observe one thing, that if our values are higher, then we are just trying to sell it on that day in comparison to before one, because the profit will be more at that time. For proper understanding, we will take one more example. 1 2 2 3 0 0 and 1. Now they say also we'll buy the 1, we'll sell it on 3, then we'll buy this, we'll cool down this on this, then we'll buy this, and then we'll sell on this. So if we have any array or any variable in which I have stored till now the maximum values, or till now whatever the total sum is, we can easily solve this question. So mainly we have to keep in track that how much we have sold till now and how much if we start buying from now. Suppose if we buy it from this, if we buy from this, what we say, if we directly buy from this 0, and then we can sell it on 6, then also 6 is a profit. Now in this place of 5, suppose a 0 is there, then you can ignore this 3, or sorry, you can, if at place of 3 and 3 it is 0, and 5 at this place of 5 some digit is there, suppose 1 is there, then you will buy this 0, then you will sell on this 1, or you can, what you can do, you can buy this 0 and sell on this one, and then you can take rest and again sell it on 6. Before selling you will buy the 0. So this is how you will keep in mind that before index, middle index, and end index means pre-sold, the sold it value till now, what we have sold it till now. If we sold, then how much profit we got, and if we skip some of the cases, then how much is the current profit. And the next thing, that if we sell on this current index, means if we sell on the previous index, then what is our sum. Now in this case, if we sell on this, then what is our current sum? It should be in plus, or it can be negative also, but if it is in the plus, then we'll do something. Now if the size is less than 2, then we'll directly return 0, because if size is less than 2, then only one stock will be there. If you buy it or whatever you will do it, cool down or what, it will be 0 only. Now we'll just directly see the solution, because solution is not that much hard. The understanding of question is hard as compared to that much of the solution. So I'll just now explain the solution. So this is what our solution look like. Now here I have initialized the two sold and held, reset and pre-sold. These all are the variables which will be used throughout this question. Now on this all 4 variables our question will be solved. Now first of all, this sold and held. Sold will store the current maximum value till now what we have sold. Held will store the current profit, or if we just previous index we have sold something, then the profit. Reset will store the sum till now. Now pre-sold will store some of the values of the sold. If previous sold, suppose at this index, at 5th index we have sold till 2, and now on this index we got 0, so we can return this as directly as answer. That's why we are using this also. Now when I'll iterate over all the values, I have used just these 3 lines. First of all, held plus price. Now held will be the previous value, whatever it will be, plus price. Now what these are doing, held will just store the previous index. If we buy the previous index, now we can sell on this index, so we can sell on this index, and if we sell on this index, then we can, the profit what it will be the buy cost minus the sale code, so it will be obviously the sum. That's why we are calculating the sold here. Now after this I have calculated the held. Now what will be the held? The reset price till now what we have sold minus the current price. Now if you want to buy the current index, then what it will be like this only. Now if it is negative or it is very less, then we can currently hold the whichever we have bought till now, we can hold that value. So till now what we have calculated pre-sold, sold and held. Now third variable is very important, which is reset. Now reset is the variable which holds the previous index or current index value. Means you have sold some values till now, and now you sold some more things, so you have to find out that which one is greater. If some value is greater, then we will calculate that value. If it is not greater, then we will not calculate that value, or we will not sell on that day if it is not greater than that. That's why we are keep taking off this pre-sold also. So at the end we will get the reset value also, and max of the sold and reset. At the end index it will be in the use, because sold sometimes becomes less, because in sold we must just try to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, so this will be sometimes negative also. So that's why we will take this reset and sold as maximum. Whichever value will be maximum will be our answer. So if nothing will be happening, then it will be 0. The reset will be 0, so 0 will be returned. So this is all we have to do in this question. So if you not understand the question, you will comment it down. I'll make a new video, or I'll explain it more properly, the solution, because it is a bit hard to understand the solution also. That's why I've explained in this question properly. So if you like the video, please like it, and if you want to understand more of the LeetCode question, you can subscribe my channel. And if you want some more questions like this to be in my channel, please comment down the link of that question. I'll definitely make a video on that also. So thank you guys.